Dr. Eleanor Martin. I'm an assistant professor here in the School of Meteorology at the University of Oklahoma. This year I was given the Dean's Award in Excellence in Teaching from the College of Atmospheric and Geographic Sciences. I teach several classes in the School of Meteorology, and I was given this award by the college for my innovation in teaching in both Introduction to Meteorology 1, my graduate climate dynamics course, and our course that is co-taught by meteorology and geography called Managing for a Changing Climate. My teaching is sometimes non-traditional. Not every day is a lecture. We do a lot of activities, group work, videos, research papers, data analysis, because it's really important for students to get different approaches to learning, different activities to do, to really help everybody learn and everybody understand. And it's really an honor to be the first recipient of this award. I was nominated by the school and by many of the students who've taken my classes in the past. And this really is for the students, because they're the people who we are here for. And I'm really honored to be given this award, and would like to say thank you to everybody who nominated me, all the students in my classes in the past, and I look forward to having more students in my classes in the future. So within meteorology, and really within any field, it's really important to have different ways of applying and learning information. So traditional lectures are great. They work really well for a lot of students who can hear material, see material, and remember it for the next 20 or 30 years. But that's not the way that every student learns. Many students learn by actually applying the material, whether that's in a math problem, whether that's in a research problem, whether that's using real data from the atmosphere to understand the processes. And this is something that really happens very frequently in meteorology. In the future, our students are going to be out there working with real data, and we want them to apply what they've learned to real data. And by doing that in the classroom, now, while they're getting their undergraduate degrees, is going to be really beneficial for them in the future. And it really helps everybody learn more, and it makes the classroom just far more interesting and exciting for the students and for me as a teacher. My favorite activities to do in Intro to Meteorology 1 is when we're thinking about radiation that's coming from the sun and how it hits the Earth. And to think about the way the Earth orbits around the sun, why we get seasons, why we have 24 hours in a day, is to get the students to actually be the Earth. We get them to stand up, somebody's the sun, the students stand around the sun just like the Earth orbits around the sun. They're each a different month of the year. They have to tilt in the way that the Earth tilts. They have to physically spin around like the Earth spins around. Think about which way the Earth turns. And this type of activity, it's like muscle memory. You remember after doing this, because this is not a typical class here. So that's a lot of fun. Everybody enjoys it, and everybody remembers how the Earth orbits the sun after doing that activity. So my favorite subject to teach is definitely climate change, because especially here in Oklahoma, it can be quite a controversial topic, and it's really interesting to teach the physical science about why the climate is changing, to see people think about what that physical science is, and to start to change their opinions and start to balance what they've heard in the media with what the actual physical science is showing. And there's so many different aspects of climate change, and it's really impacting every single student, whether they're a meteorology major or whether they're any other kind of major at OU. So it's a lot of fun. I always learn a lot teaching climate change and hearing from all the other students as well.